Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Christmas bake with me, no Crockpot today. And this video is in collaboration with my friend Marina over at Fearfully Created. If you're not already subscribed to her channel, make sure you go on over after this video and check her out. You'll love her. She is a mama of 4. She does a little bit of everything over there, from cooking, cleaning, baking, DIYs, home renovations, and not to mention, she's absolutely hilarious. She constantly has me cracking up on her channel. She's just so much fun. I know you guys are going to love her. So today I'm bringing you guys the best Christmas gingerbread dessert. These tasty gingerbread cookie bars. I just used a pre-made buttercream frosting, but you are more than welcome to use or make whatever you would like.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
So to begin today, we are just going to mix our 3/4 cup or 2 sticks of melted butter, 1/4 cup molasses, and 1 cup of brown sugar in a large bowl. And once that's incorporated, we will add in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, an egg to that as well, and set it aside.
Marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
So in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And I personally leave out the cloves and the nutmeg. Okay, so now we're going to be gradually adding in our flour mixture to the wet ingredients and stirring it until completely combined, and it's going to form a dough. And then we are going to spread our batter evenly into our 9x13 pan, and I used parchment paper to line mine, but if you aren't going to be using parchment paper, make sure to grease and flour your pan before putting your batter in. And it's funny, you guys, because this video was supposed to be a Thanksgiving bake with me, and literally the night before we were due to post, we flipped a coin to decide between changing it to a Christmas bake with me. Which leads me to this. This can also be made as a Thanksgiving dessert as well. Just put some orange sprinkles on it instead of red and green.
Hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that
And you'll just want to make sure you get it nice and evenly spread in the pan, and then I just went over it and made sure it was flattened down a little bit better as well. And this took about 20 minutes at 350.
storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be.
And I just used a pizza cutter to cut my bars. And you'll want to make sure that these are cooled down before you frost them as well.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one.
And I have to laugh at this next part because I thought I was going to be all fancy and like do a design with my frosting, and then I was like, yeah, no, not so much, and I just spread it out instead.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than
And I didn't frost all of mine because my family likes them better without the frosting. They're great without the frosting as well. And I have to say, I like these better than I like gingerbread cookies. It's like a mixture between a gingerbread cookie and a gingerbread. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite type of Christmas cookie? Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. These turned out amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you give them a try. I love hearing from you guys in the comments and on Instagram. And please don't forget to go over and check out Marina's channel as well.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately,